Are you sabotaging your tech without even knowing it? Think charging your phone overnight kills the battery? Or that public Wi-Fi will hack your life? Well, you're in for a reality check. Today, we're busting 10 popular tech myths that might blow your mind. Welcome back to We Talk Tech, the ultimate hub for all things tech. Whether you're a gadget geek or just someone trying to keep up with today's technology, this video is for you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And let's dive straight in. Let's start with the most common myth. Leaving your phone plugged in overnight will ruin the battery. This myth made sense years ago when phones weren't as advanced. But today, your phone has built-in battery management. However, prolonged heat while charging can degrade your battery. If you tend to charge overnight, place your phone on a cool surface and avoid thick cases that trap heat. If you want to be extra careful, some phones now let you schedule charging so it finishes just before you wake up. Check your settings. Raise your hand if you compulsively swipe away apps to save battery. Bad news, it's doing more harm than good. When you force close an app, your phone has to restart it the next time you open it. This uses more resources and drains battery. Operating systems like Android and iOS are designed to manage background apps efficiently. Only close apps that are misbehaving or using excessive battery. Otherwise, let them be. Here's a fun one. Does a higher megapixel count mean a better camera? Not always. A 108MP camera might sound impressive, but if the sensor size and lens quality are poor, your photos will still look bad. What matters more is how the camera processes light and color. That's why flagship phones with fewer megapixels often take better photos than budget phones with more. Look for reviews that test cameras in real-world conditions instead of focusing on the spec sheet. Public Wi-Fi has a bad reputation, and for good reason. Hackers can intercept unencrypted data, but is it always dangerous? Not necessarily. Use tools like VPNs to encrypt your connection. Also, stick to HTTPS websites. And remember, most modern apps like WhatsApp or Gmail use end-to-end encryption, even on public Wi-Fi. If you're ever unsure, use your phone's hotspot for sensitive transactions. Ever feel like your gadgets are designed to break down right after the warranty expires? While planned obsolescence does exist in some cases, a lot of the time, it's just poor maintenance. Regular cleaning, software updates, and replacing small parts like batteries or fans can dramatically extend the life of your devices. Check out DIY repair guides for simple fixes instead of replacing the entire gadget. Think incognito mode makes you invisible online? Not quite. It just prevents your browser from saving your history, cookies, or login details. But your ISP, employer, or even websites you visit can still track you. For true privacy, you'll need tools like VPNs or secure browsers like Tor. 5 bars and still can't load YouTube. That's because signal bars only show the strength of your connection to the nearest tower, not the quality or speed of your internet. Factors like network congestion or your carrier's bandwidth also play a huge role in speed. Use apps like Speedtest to measure actual internet performance. Let's set the record straight. Macs can get viruses. They're just targeted less often because Windows dominates the market. But as Macs grow in popularity, so do the risks. Always install antivirus software and be cautious of phishing scams, regardless of your operating system. While Gorilla Glass is tough, it's not invincible. Everyday items like sand or keys can still scratch it. Invest in a quality screen protector. It's much cheaper than replacing your display. AI and robots are amazing, but they're tools, not replacements. They excel at repetitive tasks, but still rely on humans for creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. The real future is collaboration between humans and technology, not replacement. Alright, that's 10 tech myths busted. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech every week. See you next time.